After Cebu's lively celebrations, the city shifts into a quieter rhythm. People line up for ashes. The streets grow still, and familiar Lenten practices return. Many of us take part, but have you ever wondered if receiving ashes or fasting is as strict as some believed? Let's explore what this season is truly inviting us into. Maayong adlaw mga magtutuki, maayong pag-abot sa Pagtuki with KJ, a CGM mini video series debunking misconceptions of Cebuano culture and history. Tara, ubanta sa pagtuki, labot sa mga butang kaniadto, pagpalapad sa kaalam, aron masayon sa kamatuoran. In the Catholic tradition, Ash Wednesday marks the beginning of Lent, a 40-day period of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving leading to Easter. This period leads us to reflect on the meaning behind Ash Wednesday and the Lenten practices that shape our spiritual journey.
Ang Ash Wednesday is mauna siya ang pag-abli sa season of Lent, no? So gisugdan sa pagbadlis og abo. Nganong abo man? Ang abo is kaning sa naam gud ni siya biblical significance. Ang abo tungod kay ang abo is nagsimbolo ni siya og repentance, no? Mabasahan na nato sa story ni Prophet Jonah katong niadto siya sa Ninive ug niya nagsangyaw sa didto nga maginursol kay lagi magun-ob ang ilahang dapit kung di sila maginursol. Ug mao to nga ang hari nga tuwa didto mao ginangulo sa pag hinursol. Nagsuot sila og sackcloth o niya naglingkod sila og ashes, no, sa mga abo. Pagpakita sila ang paghinulsol mauna nga usas mga rason pod nga ang Dios wala mo padayon pagun-ob sa ilang dapit tungod kay nakita man niya nga ang mga tao dito sa Ninive naghinulsol.
Lent is often accompanied by long-held practices that people observe with sincerity and not just for the sake of compliance. The season's symbols, like the ashes on Ash Wednesday, are meant to invite reflection. In the same way, fasting and abstinence are intended to promote mindful simplicity rather than harsh deprivation. Cultural expressions such as church visits and processions may vary by place, but at their heart, they aim to deepen prayer, contemplation, and connection to the meaning of Christ's passion. Across communities, these traditions endure not just because they are familiar, but because they guide people toward a quieter, more reflective spiritual journey. Lent remains an invitation to reflect, renew, and reconnect with what truly matters. And that wraps our Lenten episode. Remember, we're not fault finders. We just want to seek the truth. Stay curious and join us again here on Pagtuki with KJ. See you next time.